Hi everyone, Patrick here, doing an unboxing. Haven't done one for a while. Let's see how it goes. So the box looks like, tells us everything that it has. And here we have our lovely little Apple style opening. Just like that. How easy. Ooh. Okay, that goes to one side. Now, as soon as we open it, then we can open this. Let's see what's inside this. Obviously, this moment. Then we've got some user manuals. Leave that there. What else do we have in here? We have our microphone cable, our little wind muff. This is the USB-C cable, and another wind muff, and a lovely little pouch. This is the main act. There we go. So once we open it up, this is going to be our first opening. Oh, and as soon as we opened it, the lights came on. Nice. Was interrupted there. That's normal. Have little interruptions. Yeah, here we go. And inside the box of one transmitter, complete with magnet. That is so cool. Second transmitter, complete with magnet. Like when you open them up, they just start. And this is the little magnet here. Gosh, it's quite strong. The magnet's really quite strong. Look, that's definitely not going to fall off. And then you have our transmitter, and it immediately opens up with the magnet, and it immediately opens up. Here we go. And we can start get this. Then is the horseshoe mount. This is for our phone, the iPhone connection, and this is our USB-C for other. That is unbelievable. And the cat's in the weather. So this is it, totally unboxed, and I look forward to being able to set it up with you. We have, of course, in this our USB-C to charge it, so that's what I'm going to do first, and then we should be ready to take it out into the field. Brilliant. 15 hours of battery life, it's saying. This is just amazing. Happy days. Catch you again. Bye bye.